I got some bad apples for free. There are some rotten ones and some not so rotten ones. I tried cutting the usable parts off of them and then I put them in this kettle and I boil water under here. And then this will turn into some kind of apple juice. And I'll see if it works. I have no idea. Never tried before. There's some, maybe half a liter of apple juice here. I'll wait it for it to cool down a bit and then taste it. Let's try the apple juice. Tastes quite nice. But this is from a 10 liters of sliced or chopped apple, and I roughly got 1 liter out of it. And since I couldn't use the mash to make jelly or jam, I don't think it's worth it. But if the apples were better and you could also make some jam, I think this would be quite a nice thing to do. But for now, wouldn't suggest using bad apples to make juice.